My dear students, once again welcome to all of you. Students, in previous lecture we have to completed introduction of similarity lesson, and also we have to completed two questions of problem set 1.1. Okay student, we have to completed two questions of problem set 1.1. Students, now in this lecture we are going to solve remaining questions of problem set 1.1. That is, we will start from question number 3rd. Okay student, now see your question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is, in adjoining figure, student, means one figure is given in this question number 3rd. Segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ and segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. If RQ is equals to 6 and PS is equals to 6 and PR is given that 12, then find QT. Okay student, now first draw its diagram. Diagram is given that triangle PQR, and this QT is perpendicular. QT is perpendicular on the side PR, and this PS is perpendicular on the side QR. Student, triangle is PQR. In this diagram QT, this segment QT is perpendicular on the side PR and this PS is perpendicular on the side QR. Okay student, RQ is given that 6. RQ is given that 6. Student, this segment is RQ, this is given that 6, and PS, this segment is also given that 6, and PR is 12. Student, this side is PR, and this is given that 12 unit. Okay student, now from this given information we will find the QT. Okay student, now first write down given. Given means write the all information given in the question. What informations are given? Segment PS. Student, segment PS is perpendicular to segment RQ. You see in this diagram, segment PS is perpendicular to QR. Student, this PS is perpendicular to RQ. इसको हमने ऐसा नहीं, क्वेश्चन में ऐसा नहीं दिया है कि PS is perpendicular to RS, because of student QR is a side of triangle PQR. Student, this is triangle PQR and QR is its one side, and this PS is perpendicular to QR. PS is not the perpendicular RS, ऐसा नहीं लिखा है. RS पे perpendicular तो है, but given that this PS is perpendicular to RQ, because of this RQ is one side of triangle PQR. Okay student, now PS is perpendicular to RQ, segment RQ, and also QT, segment QT. This segment QT is perpendicular to segment PR. Okay, and if RQ is 6, if RQ is given that 6, PS is also given that 6, PR is 12, then find QT. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? सेगमेंट QT. We will find segment QT. Okay student, now question is clear ना? In this diagram, triangle PQR, a triangle, see this triangle PQR, and PS is perpendicular on the side QR and QT is perpendicular on the side QT is perpendicular on the side PR. Okay student, now see very carefully triangle PQR. ट्रायंगल PQR दिखा क्या डायग्राम में? हाउ टू फाइंड इट्स एरिया? स्टूडेंट, आई एम आस्किंग हाउ टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज half into base into height. If its base and heights are known, then we can apply this formula. Okay student, now you see triangle PQR. Students, you see triangle PQR. This triangle is triangle PQR. Okay student, how to find area of this triangle? Student, we can find area of this triangle by using half into base into height. Base अगर हमने कंसीडर कर लिया QR, student when we consider base is QR, then its height will be PS. Okay ना, this one is clear ना? अच्छा ये कॉन्सेप्ट जरा इधर समझ लो. सपोज दैट स्टूडेंट वी हैव अ ट्राइंगल ABC and perpendicular drawn from point A to base BC. We consider a triangle ABC and on the side BC we draw perpendicular from the vertex A this AD. Student, this AD is height of the triangle when base is BC. BC को अगर हम लोग बेस कंसीडर करेंगे तो AD क्या हो जाएगा, इसका हाइट. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ if we consider base AC then we can draw perpendicular from point B. तो B से यहाँ पे perpendicular draw कर देंगे. Suppose that this point is E. BE is height of this triangle when AC is its base. बात समझ में आई क्या? Base BC, when base BC then its height is AD, when base AC then its height is B. Okay student, now see very carefully triangle PQR. When we consider base QR then its height, तो QR पर perpendicular क्या है? Which segment is perpendicular on this side QR? Student, this PS is perpendicular on this side QR. When we consider base QR, then height of the triangle PQR we consider PS. This one is clear now. And also student, and also we can find area of the same triangle PQR by using same formula, base half into base. Now student, now we consider base PR. ये देखो ट्रायंगल PQR. स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ट्रायंगल PQR. व्हेन वी कंसीडर बेस PR, अगर हमने PQR में, अच्छा कौन से ट्रायंगल की बात कर रहा हूं? ट्रायंगल PQR की बात कर रहा हूं. ट्रायंगल PQR की बात कर रहा हूं. नाउ इन दिस सेकेंड, व्हेन वी कंसीडर PR इज इट्स बेस, देन इट्स हाइट विल बी QT. बात समझ में आई क्या? देन बेस PR, देन इट्स हाइट इज QT. दोनों में डिफरेंस समझ में आया क्या? स्टूडेंट, वी कैन फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR बाय यूजिंग दीज टू मेथड्स. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हेन वी कंसीडर QR is base of triangle PQR, then its height will be PS, and when we consider PR is base of triangle PQR, then its height will be QT. बात समझ में आई क्या? ये ट्रायंगल PQR है, अगर इसका बेस हमने कंसीडर कर लिया QR, तो हाइट क्या हो जाएगी? PS. अगर हमने बेस किसको मान लिया? PR को, तो हाइट क्या होगी? QT. ये बात समझ में आ गई क्या? ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी विल फाइंड area of triangle PQR by using these two methods. Okay student, now area of triangle PQR is equal to half into base. बेस क्या कंसीडर किया? QR. When you consider base QR, then its height will be PS. कौन सा फार्मूला यूज किया? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू QR. QR is given that, how much given that? 6, and PS is given that 6. Okay, then this half, then okay student, now this 6 cancel out by 2. इसमें से कोई भी एक 6 को 2 से आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 2 1 जा, 2 3 जा, देन 6 3 जा 18. 18 अपान 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR. लेट दिस इज इक्वेशन 1. and also we find the area of the same triangle, that is triangle PQR, by using same method, that is by using same formula. But in this we consider base is PR. बेस अभी क्या कंसीडर कर लिया, पी आर. वेन यू कंसीडर पी आर इज एज बेस देन इट्स हाइट विल बी QT. ओके स्टूडेंट, कौन सा फार्मूला यूज किया, यही फार्मूला यूज किया, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट. स्टूडेंट बट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR हम लोग फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, कितना एरिया आया है 18. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 इज 18 हाफ इंटू PR. स्टूडेंट PR इज गिवन, हाउ मच गिवन, 12 इंटू QT. ये एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल PQR कहां से वैल्यू आपने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, इक्वेशन 1 से. नाउ राइट हियर फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1, फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1. Okay student, now this 12 cancel out by 2, 2 6 ja 12, this 18 is equal to 6 time of QT. Now how to find QT, by taking this 6 in this side. When you take this 6 in this side, then 6 becomes in division. Now QT is equals to 6 taken this side becomes in division, therefore 18 upon 6, 6 3 ja 18. QT is equal to 3 units. Okay student, this is the answer. Now note down its solution. Okay student, now see question number 4. Question number 4 is here. In adjoining figure, AP is perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC and AD is parallel to BC. Then find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Okay student, figure is given, then first draw the figure. This diagram given in this question, diagram is AP is perpendicular to BC. Student, this segment AP is perpendicular to BC and AD is parallel to BC. Student, first write down the given. First write down the given. Given means what information given in the question. AP is perpendicular to BC. Student, you see in diagram this segment AP is perpendicular on the side BC. AP is perpendicular to the side BC and AD is parallel to AD. AD, student, this line is AD is parallel to BC. Is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. Then find means to find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD. Student, first we will understand roughly. Okay student, we will find area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. Student, now see in diagram area of triangle ABC. Where is triangle ABC? Student, this is triangle ABC. This is triangle ABC. And now you see triangle ABC, its base is BC. Its base is BC. Okay student, in triangle ABC, what is the base? Which segment is base of triangle ABC? Student, BC. BC is base of triangle ABC. And what is its height? AD is its height. Now this one is clear now. For triangle ABC, student, see very carefully. In triangle ABC, BC is base and AP is height of triangle ABC. And student, now see second triangle BCD. Where is second triangle? Student, this is second triangle. Please see very carefully. Triangle BCD. Student, now you see in triangle ABC and triangle BCD, base is common. दोनों का बेस कॉमन है. BC देख रहे हो, दोनों में कॉमन साइड है. ABC, ABC में भी BC है और BCD में भी BC है. So student, bases of these two triangles are same, that is common, that is equal. Understood now? And student, you see bases of these two triangles on this line. on this line, and these two vertices, vertex of triangle ABC and vertex of triangle BCD, vertex D on the same line. Student, you can see these two triangles are between two parallel lines. दोनों ट्रायंगल दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच में है. So we can say height of these two triangles are same. अच्छा स्टूडेंट, how to measure height of triangle BCD? स्टूडेंट BCD, this is second triangle. इसका हाइट आप कैसे मेजर करोगे? Where is its height? यहाँ से अगर हम लोग ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दें, यहाँ से ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर दें, तो देन स्टूडेंट this segment consider height of triangle BCD. This one is clear na? This segment is consider height of triangle BCD, and student, you know this segment and this segment is equal because of these two segments represent height between two parallel lines. दोनों सेगमेंट क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? दो पैरेलल लाइन के बीच का डिस्टेंस रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं. चलो यहाँ पर पॉइंट ई लिख दिया. स्टूडेंट, DE एंड AP आर इक्वल बिकॉज ऑफ दे रिप्रेजेंट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइंस, एंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पैरेलल लाइंस आर ऑलवेज इक्वल. अंडरस्टूड ना? इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट, ट्रायंगल ABC हैविंग कॉमन बेस and their heights are also equal, and we know that if base and height of two triangles are equal, then their areas are equal. Okay student, now write here its solution. Base BC is common in triangle ABC and in triangle ABC and triangle, second triangle is triangle BCD. Okay student, base BC is common. बेस BC क्या है? कॉमन है. किसमें कॉमन है? इन ट्रायंगल ABC एंड ट्रायंगल BCD. अच्छा, बेस कॉमन है मतलब क्या है? इक्वल है. दैट इज B1 इज इक्वल टू B2. ओके स्टूडेंट, एंड AP इज हाइट ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. Now this one is clear na? Now see this triangle ABC, its height is AP is height of the triangle ABC, and we draw a segment DE perpendicular on the BC. Therefore student, DE is perpendicular to BC. Therefore this DE is height of the triangle, second triangle. Which one is second triangle? BCD. And this AP, and student, you know this AP is equal to D, and AP is equal to D. Why AP is equal to D? AP D के इक्वल क्यों है? Because of distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines. Okay student, this one is clear na? Now you see AP is equal to D. AP is height of triangle ABC and DE is height of the triangle BCD, but AP is equal to D. It means we can say height of both the triangles are equal. Therefore height of both the triangles are equal. Okay student, heights are equal, therefore we can say H1 is equal to H2. Now in this question, student, both the triangles having same base and equal heights. It means कौन सा केस आ गया? थर्ड केस. B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle BCD, दोनों का बेस और हाइट इक्वल है. एंड यू नो if base and heights of two triangles are equal, then their areas are equal, or you can say ratio of their areas is equals to 1/1. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अच्छा ये इधर कुछ डाउट है तो आप ऐसे समझो, इफ B1 इज इक्वल टू B2 एंड H1 इज इक्वल टू H2, तो A1 अपान A2, अच्छा फार्मूला क्या होता है B1 इंटू H1 अपान B2 इंटू H2, तो B1 B2 से कैंसिल हो गया, H1 H2 से, इधर कितना आया 1, इस 1 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं 1/1. तो रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स having same base and same height is equals to 1:1. Okay student, this 1/1 we can write 1:1. Okay, now write down the answer. Area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BCD. This is equals to 1:1. Now clear na? Now note down. Okay student, now see question number 5. Question number 5 is last question of this problem set 1.1. Now see your question number 5. In adjoining figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC, then find the following ratios. Okay student, first draw its diagram. Student, this diagram is given. This is triangle ABC and AD is perpendicular to BC. AD, this is AD. AD is perpendicular to BC and also PQ. This PQ is perpendicular to BC. Okay student, this diagram is given. PQ is perpendicular to BC and also AD is perpendicular to BC. So first write down given is, in this diagram AD is perpendicular to BC and also PQ is perpendicular to BC. Then find the following ratios. First ratio we will find area of triangle PQB. Area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. Okay student, first we will find this ratio, area of triangle PQB upon area of triangle PBC. तो पहले डायग्राम में ये दोनों ट्रायंगल देखते हैं, किधर है ट्रायंगल PQB. Student, this triangle is PQB. See in this diagram PQB. Okay student, area of triangle PQB. तो ये ट्रायंगल क्या है PQB and second triangle is triangle PBC. Triangle PBC. Okay student, now see triangle PBC, this triangle. Okay student, first triangle is PQB. Student, this triangle is PQB. Okay, and second triangle PBC. Student, in both the triangles you see PQ is height of both the triangles. In both the triangles PQ is considered as its common heights. Okay student, common heights means क्या, H1 is equal to H2. Student, if H1 is equal to H2, then we know that A1 upon A2 is equal to क्या होता है B1 upon B2. मतलब अगर दो ट्रायंगल का हाइट इक्वल है, then ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Then student, PQB, in triangle PQ is height, then its base is BQ. And what is the base of triangle PBC? ट्रायंगल पीबीसी देख रहे हैं ना, ट्रायंगल पीबीसी, तो बीसी इसका बेस हो गया, बी क्यू अपान क्या हो गया, बीसी। अब इसका रिलेशन क्या लिखेंगे, ट्रायंगल्स हैविंग सेम हाइट, triangles having same height PQ. Okay student, both the triangles having same height, therefore the ratio of areas of the triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. Now clear na? Now second ratio we will find area of triangle PBC, upon area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. Student, now see very carefully in this diagram. ट्रायंगल पीबीसी ये जो रेड कलर में बना है, दिस इज ट्रायंगल पीबीसी एंड अदर ट्रायंगल इज ट्रायंगल एबीसी. स्टूडेंट, दिस ट्रायंगल एबीसी, तो कौन कौन सा दो ट्रायंगल इसमें है, पीबीसी एबीसी, बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स हैविंग सेम बेस बीसी. नाउ क्लियर ना? दोनों में देखो कौन कौन सा ट्रायंगल, पीबीसी, बीसी आ गया इसमें, एबीसी, बीसी आ गया. इट मीन्स बोथ द ट्रायंगल्स हैविंग सेम बेस. सेम बेस मीन्स क्या, B1 इज इक्वल टू B2, देन A1 अपान A2 इज इक्वल टू क्या, H1 अपान H2. मीन्स if bases of two triangles are equal, then ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to ratio of their corresponding heights. Okay student, triangle PBC and triangle ABC having same base BC, therefore ratio of their areas is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. अच्छा, PBC करिस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट, इधर करिस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट लिखना है, मतलब H1 अपान H2. H1 मीन्स हाइट ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. व्हिच सेगमेंट रिप्रेजेंट हाइट ऑफ ट्रायंगल PBC, ट्रायंगल PBC. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज ट्रायंगल PBC. इसका हाइट क्या है, PQ. दिखा क्या डायग्राम में, PQ इज हाइट ऑफ ट्रायंगल PBC एंड ABC. सेकेंड ट्रायंगल क्या है, ABC. ABC का हाइट बताओ, ABC, तो हाइट क्या हो गया इसका, AD अपान AD. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ इट्स रीजन इज ट्रायंगल्स हैविंग सेम बेस BC, दोनों का सेम बेस BC है. ओके स्टूडेंट, okay my dear student, in question number 5 there are 4 parts are total and 2 parts we have to complete it and student remaining 2 parts are homework for you. बाकी का 2 पार्ट जो बच रहा है उसको आप खुद से ट्राई करो. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ थैंक यू.